guys, what are we picking? We're outside of Revelstoke. We finding some lobsters. These are the mushrooms that are parasitized by the lobster mushroom fungus, whatever it's called, and it makes the milk caps edible, actually highly edible. Look at them. You found, oh, look at that beauty. That one's nice dark red, huh? That's a beauty. And you've got another one right there. They call them lobsters because they look like lobster tails once they're parasitized, because they turn red.
Where's the bag?
And the ribs change. Okay, let's put them in. Oh, we found another one. We're finding lots of lobsters. And the squirrel is mad that we're stealing his mushrooms. Look at that. That's a beauty, Sierra. Really nice quality, right? Not rotting. It's nice and hard. Oh, good one. Good one. Look at that. That's a beauty. Oh, man, that's a nice one. Yeah, look at that.
I'm keeping it.
We're keeping it. Now look what we found. Some white chanterelles. See these guys hiding under here? Those are white chanterelles, and my daughter's digging out. Oh, there's a few in there, huh? Some big ones? There's like 3 in there. Okay, pop them out, and we'll show the people what white chanterelles look like. It's starting to drizzle. We're going to have to go get our jackets for sure. We're going to get soaked.
Oof.
Okay, let's get them.
I can't get them before snail does.
Pop them out. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
That's amazing.
Okay, so you see how you can tell white chanterelles? See how they're not true gills? They're like veins, and they're white. And they're all funky looking like that. That's a white chanterelle.
Oh.
Exactly what a white chanterelle looks like. Okay, let's go find some more mushrooms, right? Check these out. These are aspen scabber stalks, or like birch boletes. See the stalk? They're a type of bolete. And they're usually quite wormy, but these ones are really new, so we're going to pick them and we'll see if they're okay. Okay, pick them, Callie. Pop them out.
Just like pick them?
Yeah.
And then one looks kind of square.
Yeah, pick that one.
Wait. Ooh,
Okay,
that's a
brush
nice
the stuff off. Okay, hold on, I'll get a picture too. Nice, our baby's crying. Okay, look what we found, lobsters. Go get them, guys. Amazing lobsters, and I see more in the watch you don't step on any, because there could be more in the area. Look at that. Oh man, those are, I want to take a picture of those ones here. Those are massive. Look at that. Oh, that's a beauty. Look at those 2. Oh, look at that one over there, sticking up. Oh, and look at those, there's more over there.
There's so
Oh,
many.
look at those. Oh, yeah. Oh, I want to take a picture of that one, Sierra. Don't pop it out yet. Just wait, Callie. I want to take pictures of these ones. I'm going to video. Just wait, Sierra. Leave it. I'm going to take pictures. Too excited? Look at those beauties. Oh, man, those are spectacular, huh, Callie? Yeah. Look at that. Beauties.
There's some over there.
Oh, some over here. Look at those.
One there.
Oh, look at all of them popping out. There's 3 there. And then there's more here. Oh, look, these ones right here. Right there. A big one over there. Oh, further there. Oh, we're going to pick all these lobsters. We've been finding lots of white chanterelles. Here's another one. They like to hide. And they're all kind of covered in pine needles. So it's best if you can cut them. We forgot our knife. This one is kind of cracked inside, but probably some edible mushroom left there. Looks pretty nice shape. Okay, let's go find another one. Look, we found some more giant white chanterelles.
Mushroom.
That's a nice one, huh? And then there's a couple more behind you. You see there? Look under the... Lots over here? Okay. See, go get those ones, Callie, under there. See those 2 big ones there? Don't step on this one right here, what Sierra's getting. You guys pick those ones. Yeah, pick them. Well, that's a nice one, Sierra. You don't have to pull all the dirt out around. Just grab the stem from the bottom side and then pull it up. Yeah, look at that one. That's a nice one, huh? And Sierra's got one, or Callie's got 1 or 2 big ones there. And they're really fresh ones. Look at that. Nice mushrooms, huh? 1, 2. Look at that. Beauties. White chanterelles. Revelstoke 2019. What is it? September, what, 21st or something?
September 22nd.
22nd? Yeah. This year should be one of the best years for mushroom picking ever. It was so cool and wet this summer.
Yeah.
Get out there in the forest and find some of these beauties. Look at that.
Oh, is that summer?
Huh? No, I know it's fall. Yeah. But it was a nice, cool, wet summer. So now wet fall. Mushrooms are just popping. Let's go see. Mom said there's some good ones out there. Let's go check it out. Look, guys. You guys found some more? Look at all these white chanterelles up on the hill. White chanterelles. Which ones? Oh, that's a false morel. That right there is a false morel. And those, you don't want to eat those. Those have a toxin, starts with a G, like gyro something toxin. Don't eat those. That's a false morel. It'll make you sick. Okay? But these are the white chanterelles over here. Guys, come pop these out. Look at these ones. Look at these. Oh, that's a white chanterelle right there. White chanterelle. Look at this, white chanterelles. Look, Sierra, come pop these out here. Don't step on them. See, there's more there. 2, 3 more there.
Look what I found.
Yeah, oh, that's a big one, but that is not an edible mushroom.
I know it's not.
You just like them, yeah.
I just like
Hey, can you
touching them.
clear a little more of the dirt off there, Sierra, Callie?
I'm getting
Rub the dirt off a bit.
that one. I'm getting
You're popping them out, Sierra? You don't have to dig there, Sierra. Just pop it out. Yeah, there you go. I should have brought the knife from the truck to cut the bottoms off, huh?
Yeah.
That's a nice fresh one. Look at that fresh one. Can you just pop out from the stem? Yeah, good job. You got it. Nice one.
Cover that up.
Yep, cover it up. Conservation of mushrooms. See that one over there, Sierra? Another one right there.
Be careful because you might step on one.
You got that one?
It's a yellow one.
That's okay, that's a good one. It's just a little wet on top. We'll probably dry it or...
Oh, I got the whole thing.
Yeah, you got the whole thing. See, it's nice and fresh on the bottom. When they get old, they get like a slimy, translucent center. You don't want those ones. That's still a good one. It's a beauty. Okay, we found the mother lode. Look at all these. Look at all these white chanterelles hiding there, hiding there. I think that's a saffron milk cap, but they're never good. Always wormy.